Hello everyone. Let me show you how I sew this Christmas hats. I have such a small piece of fur. This is the cheapest fur available at the fabric store, but it looks nice and so white. There is a scrap left, and from this small cut, I still can sew two more hats. Blue fabric is a knitwear for sewing collars. The fabric looks like a circle without seams. It's cotton. I don't remember how I got this fabric. I don't need it. That is a sign that I can make something special. And today, with this blue fabric, I am going to make a gift for my husband. This will be a hat for him. Well, the volume of my husband's head is 60 centimeters. I will sew ribs with a larger stitch. These ribs will imitate a real knitwear, add volume and uniqueness to the hat. With the help of these ribs and their number, I adjust the width of the hat. This hat will have less ribs because the hat is bigger and the fabric is narrow. But on my hat and children's, everything is opposite. Pom-pom can be sewn from the same fur or bought ready to made. A few days ago I saw in Wilko ready pom-poms. If you live in UK, you know this shop. The pom-pom also can be filled, but I don't recommend to fill it because it will get heavier and can pull the hat back.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one.
I sewed a blue hat, and that means that the last hat what I'm going to sew is mine hat from the green knitwear. This knitwear is wider, that's why I will make more ribs. And what I need to do now is just to show you all hats for all my family. The first hat is a blue for my husband, next one green for myself, the burgundy for my daughter, and the red one that I made last winter, and it was a sign that this hat is very popular in Christmas time in my family. That was a sign to make more hats for everyone. I hope my video was useful for you and you feel this Christmas mood. So, happy Christmas. See you next time.